Hi, I'm Dale from Beaver Valley Woodworking. This week we're going to be fixing this crappy particle board drawer that finally, after many years of slamming, just broke. So let's get on with the build. First thing I did was to take all the drawer slides off of the old drawer. This way later we can reuse them when we rebuild the drawer. This part here, the bottom, we can reuse. Scraping the glue off on the bottom panel of the drawer. Perfect. So these particle boards are 1/2 inch thick, and the wood I got is 3/4 inch thick. So I'm going to run these two boards through the thickness planer and get them down to 1/2 inch thick. Half inch. Making the dado for the bottom panel, I did this in 2 passes on the table saw, moving the fence over a 1/16 of an inch. I'm applying 3 coats of spray lacquer on all the parts. Well, one thing we are going to keep from the original drawer is the face frame, which is a solid oak. And this is going to be screwed right onto the face frame. Okay. Now I have to make sure the measurement from the end of the face frame is even with this. That's perfect. Could use some 3/4 inch long screws. Screw this onto your face frame. Pretty much going with 4 screws. Okay. Now 20-inch long boards. I'm going to go in there like this. Just going to screw them right on. Key thing is, line your dados up. This way when you slide your that panel in there for the bottom of the drawer, everything will line up. Okay. Should have made sure that was squared. Oh, look at that, perp. That'll be perfect. Hell yeah. Woohoo. Here you are. That's all in. Granted, the joinery is not that fancy. Basically the same type of joinery what they had before with the particle board, but was originally on here. When I attached the drawer mechanism, and remember you have a left and a right, and before on the drawer, the end here was butt up flush with the face. So basically what I do first is I screw the screws in the bottom first. I do the same thing on the other side. Well, here it is, it's all done. Just basically the only thing I did is just replace these sides, which was originally particle board, with some solid wood. Now it's going to last quite longer than that particle board crap. Well, I can't show you that it going into the cabinet, so I know it's going to work because it's the exact measurements from before. So this is this week's project. Till next time, take care and be creative. This is what I think about particle board as far as being used in drawers, garbage. Put your screw in, of course, backwards. You can follow Beaver Valley Woodworking on Google+, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Kik, and the brand new BeaverValleyWoodworking.com. Thanks for watching.